transport of the material, whether it's waste or recycling, is critical. So knowing that we can track or monitor our vehicles to make sure that the transport is available is really fundamental to offering our customers a good service. FleetWave product allows us to track a very diverse range of vehicles, from a very simplistic panel van to a more complex alternative fuel waste compaction vehicle. The solution needs to be able to offer us some scalability, and with the diverse fleet there. So currently Biffa has more than 5,000 yellow plant HGVs and small medium-sized vans there. Also, we look to the compliance, so each driver will do a daily walk-around check, and currently that triggers about 500,000 walk-around checks per annum there. That's digitised, and we've moved away from a paper-based solution. So not only have we created a more rigorous process, we've also moved to a more environmentally friendly, where we are not using paper. FleetWave offers us financial cost control of our vehicles and internal workshops, and also the compliance to de-risk the group activities of having fully compliant vehicles with the relevant legislation. So our recommendation of Chevron and the FleetWave product is for two reasons. One, we know the history, and we've been with Chevron since 2008. The second one, which is just as important as the history or the historical benefit it's given us, is the future benefit with their ambitious and trustworthy roadmap to develop more features and functions that we will need for our next generation of alternative fuel vehicles. So it's so important for us to stay competitive, to have these new features and functions available for us to use. So we are two things that we see are really beneficial to us in the next step will be the Technician app and the smart forms. My name is Ian Nash. I work for a company called Biffa Waste Services Limited. Our primary function is the collection, treatment and disposal of waste and recycling material.